Good morning. Hey, welcome everyone. Happy Friday times. Welcome chat. Great to see you. How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Let's go, friends. Morning. Let's go for the highest targets for the last point of the week, point number 9. I'm gonna hunt that today on my Ticktick trader account. Good morning, guys. Ciao. Welcome. Good evening. Happy trading. Happy Friday. Happy trading. 75 grand giveaway. 2 giveaways, actually. Like and join Discord for our giveaway. Let's just see, where are we, guys? We're touching the daily opening here. That's what we're fighting with, the daily opening. And we got PCE news coming out in 20 minutes. Market's located in a range with the lows in the 15-minute pressing the highs. Around 700s, we got that resistance. So we're pressing that. We're gonna get into the 5-minute here and see what's the outcome on a different vision. And I'm looking forward trading, but let's just invite all the people. Make sure to invite your friends as well on the live stream. Let all the trading communities, pretty much everywhere. $75,000 on the table. So I'm looking at the markets here. Good morning. Thank you, guys. Make sure to like the video. So we got this daily opening here. Might just reject. Might just be painful. Might just reject, might just be painful for the bulls. We need point number 9. That's what I need. So for the moment we were nicely uptrending and we could at least retest that 45. Good evening out there. But I'm not going to hurry up on this one, guys. Certainly I'm not going to hurry up. I'll just wait for the right opportunity. For the right moment, for the right opportunity.
Order filled.
Going with 6 contracts long here, opening the first trade.
Order filled.
Adding a little bit more to this. Let's see how doable is this level around the 36, 35. That's what I'm going for. 36, 35. We got it. Let's see if the bounce comes from here. If we're bouncing here, we're in a very likely position to touch the target if we're bouncing from here, guys. Come on. Three points needed. Certainly not the biggest deal. Two green candles of 1 minute. Give me the 39 quickly, come on. Beautiful. We're gonna have stop loss on break even. We're gonna trade this one risk free. We were only 2 points away, guys. Beautiful. I'm moving the trailing right below. 2 ticks needed, half a point. Come on. Half a point, guys. The next candle, right? The next candle is the one giving us that half a point above the previous wick. There you go. Come on.
Order
half
filled.
A point. There you go. The target has been touched. We got 9 points on 5 accounts for Ticktick trader, gentlemen. There you go. Oh my god. We got 9 points, guys, on 5 accounts. Look at that. This is our trading performance. There you go. Thank you, guys. So we have $6,300 in the balance. And we only have to do $500. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Like the video. Be subscribed. And let's just have a little tea out there. So, where are we with this one? Even if I have 3 daily max losses, I would lose 1,500 times 3. That's 4,500. I would be left with 1,800, right? And another $500 that I need to do will take me above the 2,000 because the payout is 2,000 on each account. 5 accounts, that's $10,000. So I have right now room of 3 max daily losses, which is automatically set. And only 1 day of $500 needed, right? I'm only going to lose this account if I have 4 days in a row. 4 days in a row of $1,500 loss in each day without making $500 because it's last day needed. So this one needs to happen in a row for me to lose this, for me not to qualify for the payout. I need 4 days in a row of losing $1,500 max loss per day on each. 4 days in a row. And I'm going to lose the accounts. If I have 3 days of loss in a row and the 4th day comes in, I'm getting to the payout, max payout. So we're in a very comfortable situation, that means, right? With a winning we had yesterday and today, we have set ourselves in a very comfortable position because we advanced that critical line even by making $500 throughout the entire week. we're fine. Because we made a lot more in the beginning. Look at that. And have a look at the number of trades we did, guys. 2 trades on 22nd, Monday, this week. 3 trades the next day. 2 trades on the 24th. 2 trades today. Yep. Right, for those of you that would like to experiment, trade, and have a great time on the Ticktick Trader accounts, here's the link. Straight to Funded Plus. No consistency, think about it. Right now, it's a crazy discount, $245 per an account. Utilize the coupon code SCRAMBO at the checkout. The daily loss limit add-on is for free. So you don't have a daily loss limit unless you set it up, which is something, however, I suggest you to do. And you have to achieve 10 points with a profit score. You can have 10 active accounts, right? 65% off plus 5% if you're paying through crypto or Skrill. Very comfortable, guys. 10 points, which means 5%. 1 point a day, and that's 0.5%. Very comfortable.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm shorting the market, guys, on my Ignite accounts here on the Tap 1 Futures. Let's see. The previous 1 minute candle is really powerful, so that might be seeking for a continuation. And I'm happy to go for it here. Yeah. Pretty good, buddy. Pretty good. We touch point number 9. We are having a very comfortable situation here on Ticktick Trader. Only 1 more day is needed and we're going for the payout. This is a miserable choppy market from this candlestick. It's proving it. This shouldn't grow, guys. Shouldn't grow. Shouldn't be going up like that. I'm gonna put a stop loss soon. Come on. Mm. 6 minutes and we got news. Core PCE. Actually
Order
sold
filled.
2 contracts,
Order
2
filled.
more.
Order filled.
got out fully. Looks like this is pressing the top, guys. Accepted this minor loss here. But I'm still gonna trade this 4 accounts today. I'm not gonna. The daily max loss is at 1,000, so we still have that 500 bucks extra from here. Yeah. We're having a very good condition. 9 points already on Ticktick Trader 5 accounts, so 1 more point needed and we're going for $10,000 payout. Bitcoin trading in the lows. Looks pretty bad. A lot of the cryptos are looking pretty bad today. Hope you guys having a beautiful time. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed.
Order filled.
This is looking pretty good for a short opportunity here all the way into the 30s. And with that being said, we should touch the target. Let's see. Let's go, guys. Hello. Yeah, I'm looking forward to getting out of this trade before the news, so in about 3 minutes I'm out. Hey guys, just as an update, point number 9 has been collected on Ticktick Trader. 1 more point is needed and we're going for $10,000. Yeah, the Ignite accounts are very dirty. You know, guys, we talked about this accounts. I need to bring them to the moon. PCE comes out in 2 minutes. I need to bring this accounts to the moon, and it's a craziness. But I got myself some SimPro accounts and some instant funded, so. But this is looking pretty bad. We got to touch the daily loss, 1,200. Yeah. Certainly, so we got 2 losing days and the rest of them are good. Each week we actually lost a trade. The other accounts are sitting like this. But I'm gonna go to this one, guys, and trade this boy right here. This is a brand new account. This is what I'm gonna trade right now with the news. This is an end of the day instant funded of 150k. It's not an Ignite. Yeah. Let me share with you. That's 1,200, so $200 extra. 140, 160, right? $160 extra for the ESS. You know, this is I gotta bring the account to 8,000 by not crossing $500 daily in earnings, in profit. Think about that. You know, the Ignite accounts are not good, guys. I'm sorry. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, but the Ignite accounts are definitely not good. If you're having a loss there, it's over. Couple of seconds and we get into the news. 5 seconds. PCE comes out. Nothing special for the moment.
Order filled.
Testing out along here. I'm just going for the liquidity above. Do we take that liquidity above or no? I think we should take it.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. 736. We're taking liquidity, obviously, because it's a game of liquidity, especially when you have no volume. Gentlemen, might be running higher, but 736 on my first day is pretty good. Yeah, we're going for the 670s. We broke out here, and we're touching that 690s quite soon. This is a good reaction. Dollar is falling. 0.2 as predicted, guys. This did not increase. This is very good for the market. Very good. Changing the price of goods and services purchased by consumers, excluding food and energy. Speaking about inflation, guys, 0.2%. Just like they desired, just like they wanted to see. This is going to allow, basically, for upcoming rate cuts to fight again. Yeah, they're very, very cheap, and it's equity stability score, guys. It's not consistency. It is ESS. It's not consistency, which is why I'm in that position of not crossing $500 daily while trying to achieve thousands and thousands. You know, you pay $100, but how is that going to help you if you're making no money, right? Like, it doesn't matter how much you pay if the environment you're trading is not worth it. As it looks like. This one's so the on tap on futures, and they no longer have the Ignite accounts. They took them out. Now they have the instant funded, right, which are great. This is end of the day. This is end of the day. By the way, you have 5% extra discount than what they're giving to you. So it's a lot cheaper than what it's listed here with my coupon code. Here's the link for those of you that would like to pay attention. 20% consistency. End of the day drawdown here. And then their Simpro accounts are intraday drawdown. 20% consistency, intraday drawdown. A little bit cheaper because it's intraday. The good part is the intraday is not on unrealized profits. It's just on realized profits, right? That's you know, one positive side from the tap on futures, Simpro accounts, intraday accounts. It's less than 454 because of extra discount of 5% with my code. 736. Honestly, I'm pretty happy about that one. We had a good reaction for the cryptos, especially for the alts. They are seeking this kind of things. So I do. Thank you, guys. Make sure to like the video. Let's keep up the numbers. But this is where the big deal sits, guys, on this yeah, 12,000 to get your Ignite. You know, this kind of with the Ignite, it's more of a practicing to trade and exercise. But you see, if you have a loss, it's over. It's over. Meanwhile, with a Ticktick trader, I can have this $1,500 losses. And because of no consistency, I can actually make a lot more in a day. Force it, let my winners run, and that eventually is going to cover up my losses. And this is a very good model. This is way more realistic to what this trading means in personal accounts. Think about that one, guys. We keep talking about what is the purpose of this prop firm industry from our trader standpoints, not from the creators of the prop firms. We clearly know what's the idea behind that one. But from our perspective, I mean, besides the fact that we can make some money, we cannot become financial free from prop firms. Unless you live in an economy where $100,000 will set you free. But if you're talking about other prop firms, other economies, other places in the world, from prop firms, you can make some money, but definitely you have to take it at some point on your personal account and start scaling your business and trying to make that $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a day on your personal account. Trying to get to that point by having a strong portfolio, by having a strong balance, and trying to go for that. So prop firms can be utilized to gain this ability. And then there's going to be a huge gap and a big difference, and I can fully tell you when you are moving from a prop firm trading environment to a personal trading environment is different, guys. You have to trade differently. And with the knowledge, with the experience, with the way you have traded on the prop firm is not going to work. You have to change things. Till you discover what works best and how you need to adapt, you might spend some money. And you need to know these things from the beginning. But the no consistency, letting your winners run, which is number one condition on personal fund, you have to let your winners run. That thing covers a lot of your losses that are inevitable. So there's no way you have to trade and you trade without losses. You need to strategy, not to think about I'm not going to have a loss, but a strategy to think about how do I cover up my losses and still be in profit by the end of my journey. Like for example, end of 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. How do I build my business structure to pay for those losses? And you got to think about this one as a business model. 730s on Nasdaq. What's happening, guys? Why are we so radical? But the lesson I'm giving you is more important right now than trying to make the money. Good morning, guys. Yeah, I have a lot of trading going on in swing trading. Back to the story. You need to get as closely as possible to an environment of trading that allows you to become on your personal. And this is clearly one element is no consistency. Careful with the Nasdaq reversing, because this is not stopping, let alone reversing, guys. Look at that. It's just blowing out of my screen. You need an environment of the prop firms that is as close as possible to an environment of personal funds. No consistency, letting your winners run is essential. Ticktick Trader offers you that. Take this advantage. Take this advantage. Right, so I'm sure those of you that have been trading seriously for a long period of time, whether we talk about the futures of the Nasdaq or stuff, anything like that, you know it's different on a personal account than what is happening in the prop firm world. So that shift, that movement is going to be costly for those of you that are deciding, well, I got 100 grand, I got 50 grand, it's time for me to try to do that 500 bucks daily or 1,000 or 300 or whatever. It's time for me to try to make that. It's time for me to see if I can scale this one into a 6 figures business a year on a personal funding. I'm a swing trader on personal funds since 2014. but specifically on the crypto market. They didn't change consistency to equity stability. They have consistency on some accounts, equity stability on other. For example, the instant SIM funded are with consistency. The SIM Pro are with ESS, equity stability, right? This is pretty hard to short, guys. So let me see Anton. You have 515 loss, 500 profit. How much ESS? How much I must make with this number, right? 1015 times 5. That's what you got to do. 1015 times 5 is what you need. Ignite accounts are, I don't say they're not good for everyone, but there are better choices. For $130 extra, you get no consistency. 5% target. Think about consistency is even better than equity stability score. And the no consistency is just huge. You know what's the problem behind Ignite? Is the equity stability. ESS plus no daily loss is different. And that's where I made money. Because I didn't toke the daily loss. I've been working with the max loss of the account. And I made money for 5 days in a row, so I qualified for the payout and I actually survived. This is possible with the prop firms to do. On personal accounts, it's not possible to trade without a daily stop loss. But I'm telling you, if the daily stop loss is enforced, you cannot survive it. Or you have a risk management that is requiring you a $500 profit with a $250 loss. Yeah, Ticktick Trader is offering an unmatchable. You know, there's good products as well. For example, the instant SIM funded end of the day drawdown. It's a place to make money if you know how to trade. Like, you have a good edge. It's $3,000 payout for the 150K. And the price of this, if you're using my code, so SIM funded 150K, continue. Scramble apply. It's $493 and you get a $3,000 payout. 6 times more. So, as long as there's place to make money, you take that. You take that opportunity. If you diversify and you're having a good style of trading, you just go ahead and take that opportunity. We also have the ability to talk about the Savius accounts, which are 60% off. So, nothing close to the prices you see here, 60% away from that. Like the 150K, this one, is $256. And you get paid $2,700. That's more than 10 times. And you only have to do 5% for the target. 5%. Any account is on 5%. Here's the link for those of you that would like to see it. Those are exclusively for our community. Exclusively for our community. Yeah, Anton. You have to do 5,075, Anton. without crossing. Right? That's what you... The giveaway is after the New York after. Could have been 10 minutes after the New York opens, 15 minutes or 30 minutes, depends. Right, so that's why much better choices than the Ignite accounts are straight to funded plus from the Ticktick. We have the Tap On Futures instant funded or the Sim Pro, or basically the Savius accounts, which are really enjoyed by community members here. Our exclusive offer. This is not available on the official page. This is only if you're signing up from our link and you see it in your dashboard. Make sure to like the video, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Have a happy Friday time. We're having 2 giveaways. Like the video. Come on, be subscribed. Be subscribed. We got $100 pump on Ethereum. What's happening with the gold? Oh, it's just waiting. It's not doing too much, right? This might be going a little bit lower, guys, from here. I'm happy to take that $800. We might be cascading a little bit. I'm down for it. That's good.
Order filled.
Added more to this. This is where I want to retest. Good job, guys. So we might qualify for payout on Ticktick Trader on Monday. We have the opportunity to qualify for the payout on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. If we don't qualify in this first 4 days, we have lost the accounts. 4 days. And these are the ones I'm referring. 5 accounts here at Copy Trade. Pretty proud about it. Because this is going to be the second payout of 5 accounts, and we're going to have $8,000 in the live wallet. 2,000 more will be needed. Adding a little bit more to this short. I told you the pattern earlier. That's what I'm seeking. Let's see if the cascade continues, or we have a temporary support here, and or they wipe me out. We got the support here. Previous top here on 693, so I don't see a reason why we shouldn't get into the 700s at least. 1,100 extra here would actually give me the maximum needed in a day, 1,800. Keep going, buddy. Keep going. I set myself on break even. What the?
Order filled.
Beautiful. We touched the target. We touched the target 1,840. You can see it right there. I haven't touched a button. And we're reversing. So this is the proof that the market makers are watching my live stream. They brought the price action into my order, filled it up, and allowed me to celebrate with our great community, right? You see, I told you the market makers are definitely watching us, guys. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Come on, let's go. This is the first day on this account. Let's just copy trade this to Ignite. I think it might be going lower here. Let's see. $5.25 in my target. And then we also have to trade the Savius accounts on Quantower. But there's plenty of time to go. I'm pretty happy we got the PCA coming out as expected, so we don't have any wild and crazy inflation data above the 0.2 level. So we stop fearing inflation and we can focus on the unemployment as Powell speaks. Come on. We're refusing to go. And we just need a little bit to unleash the power here. If it sits around this level for too much, I don't like that. We gotta move. Otherwise this is gonna reverse. We just cannot sit here for a while. Come on. Break below. Keep going, buddy. Keep going, buddy. There you go. Target has been touched, and this is copy traded as well. Absolutely beautiful. Back-to-back fireworks show. Like the video. Come on. Boom. Hey. And here we are. This is our performance on this account. There are two accounts like this. Let's go. Definitely not bad, right? And we got the Simpro. Let me copy trade the Simpro. Brand new. Right, brand new first day.
Order filled.
10 minis. I got wild into this, guys. 10 minis. Watch me being wild here. Watch me getting wild here, guys. Actually sold 5. I'm putting break even on the rest.
Order filled.
347 profit. Now, I'm going to go for the Nasdaq. That's where the market makers are watching my live stream on the Nasdaq, so I have to trade there, guys. That's where I have the contract. We're coming all the way back to the 70s, are we? This tops here. We crossed the 95 where we could have had a reaction, now all the way back into the 70s. But there is a 1 minute structure here which might give us some points. We're joking, guys. 115 minis. You should raise the level, buddy. 150 minis. On Savius, you can go crazy numbers, guys. Look at that. See tables and commission. So on Savius, this exclusive accounts, honestly, on the 150k, you can go 30 minis. 30 minis. Like, that's insane, right? $10 minis means $200 per point. 30, it's $600 per point. 10 points, $6,000. Yeah. How to pass an intra-drawdown evaluation. Well, you pass an evaluation by not buying an evaluation. You pass an evaluation by buying directly an instant funded. That's the number one way of passing the evaluation. The second way of passing a such evaluation is to set a limit order on your exit every time without changing it. So the price action goes into your limit order, right? It smashes into your limit order. You have the limit order here and the price action is like this. So you buy here. And then you're setting a limit order that you're having a very high chance of achieving without being a big gap. You need to play small targets, 4, 5, 6, 7 points with that. Intra-drawdown is... If it's on unrealized, it's terrible. If it's unrealized, it's simple. Like, for example, here on the Project X for the top 1 futures, it's unrealized. It's comfortable.
Order filled.
Let me see. Do I get something here? 10 minis. Just a couple of points, guys. Couple of points. Out.
Order filled.
Out.
Order filled.
1,244. Come on, this is the way we're gonna celebrate on Monday. Next week for the Ticktick trader, we got 1 day and we go for $10,000 payout. Boom. You know, we are pretty good here. Reaction comes in perfectly. Yeah. I'm a sniper. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. There is clearly a reason to. We're really having a great time. Let's see how does the liquidity and volume moves around in 30 seconds. We got the flat opening. My BTC is still holding around this range. Come on, Bitcoin. Should get that 150 grand by the end of the year. Should take Ethereum into 7,000 by the end of the year. For those of you that are following our Discord, you know about my Ethereum position that I have opened a few years ago. Think about it. So let's see, do we get any volume here? I might make another 250 bucks. 250 bucks, that's it, guys. Because the max profit is 1,500.
Order filled.
I got into a long here. And I have to wait for 10 seconds, otherwise I would have exited this. I would have exited this one in profit, guys. But I had to wait for 10 seconds. Because Tap 1 Futures has a microscoping rule. You know, it is what it is. No, I don't do swing trading on prop firms. I do swing trading on personal accounts. Yeah, I'm gonna look into the FTMO's new packages. I only swing trade crypto.
Order filled.
Come on, hit that target. Like, what on earth are we doing here? This is no big deal at all. Why are we sitting on 5 minutes for 280 bucks profit? I did post it on my Discord. I don't touch my swing trading positions most of the time for weeks and sometimes months. Come on, go to the target, boy. Like, what on earth are you guys doing here? This is a pretty bullish price action for a bit of segment. We shouldn't be denied here. Haven't tried Bullinox. But I do know about this FDMO or Bullinox. I'm gonna look into their new... haven't checked Bullinox for a few months. I will see what they're talking about. What it is their new structure. Come on, this candle is the one giving the target. This one, come on. If you're getting denied, I'm gonna accept the loss. Oh my god. We can't do 2 points here, guys. Look at that. Yeah.
Order filled.
I sold 2 contracts, basically. I accepted a minor loss. Take profit trader. We're gonna work with some more companies, yeah. We're gonna expand a little bit in the future. We're gonna expand. This might be a good entry, guys.
Order filled.
Let's see. my god. 4 candlestick rejections, none of that got to our target, guys. It's not looking... Looks like I'm giving back. No.
Order filled.
No. Looks like they attacked me. Look at this silly price action. So we nicely got a couple of points. Meanwhile here, I missed my exit with 2 points. Or a single point in a nonsense range of low liquidity. Zero effort. Yeah, microscalping for the top on futures. If you don't want microscalping, then you have to trade Ticktick Trader. They got 0 rules on microscalping. I don't like this trade, guys, anymore. What's up, buddy? Look at that. We got point number 9. We're pretty good on Ticktick Trader. 1 more point is needed and we are going for the payout on Ticktick Trader. 5 accounts, $10,000. Like the video, guys. Come on. What's happening here with this?
Order filled.
No. It's not looking good. I'm telling you, it's not looking good.
Order filled.
Like, we just have 5 wicks at the top. This is super silly, guys. And this is bad trading I did here on this one. On this one is bad trading I did. I'm telling you, this is fundamentally wrong what I did here. Whatever is the outcome, it doesn't matter. It's bad. This is wick number 6, guys. Like, I can't believe this. Six wicks. Come on. Break through those shadows. We don't have the ability to do 3 points. Eventually we might do it, right? Like I said, no matter what, but this is a bad execution here. Look at that. We might see another shadow here. Come on. A single point needed.
Order filled.
Finally. We're gonna celebrate, but it was a bad trade. Like, you gotta celebrate sometimes, even out of the wrong trades. If you're still making money, you gotta celebrate. Just like you're upset from the good trades you did and you lost. I'm gonna lock myself out of this. So we actually smashed top 1 futures. We've made money all over the place and smashed them. 1,800 here. First day. End of the day. Sim funded end of the day drawdown. 1,500 here. Simpro. Intraday drawdown. You see, I have 4,479 distance to max loss, and the original time you're buying is 4,500. So with a day of trading like today, I've only lost the drawdown with what, $21. Like, it didn't affect me. It's an intraday drawdown. I only lost 21 bucks from that limit. But this is the place. Stats are looking beautiful. Yeah, we're far away from the payout because this is how the equity stability looks like. They shouldn't stay in the account list. They should be cleared by Project X. Like this ones, you know, I have 5 of them. I bought 10. 5 are close to the payout, and then the other 5 are gone. They're ineligible, but they're still here. And they're gonna disappear at some point. Alright guys, so let's see what's happening on Quantower. Let's see what's happening with the Savius accounts. Good morning, welcome guys. Like 2 weeks ago. Project X added there like about 2 weeks ago the position bracket. I think this is a decent opportunity to long from here. But let's see guys, I'm waiting for my Quantower for the Savius. Hit the like, we got 2 giveaways coming up. So we traded today, here's my Discord in the meantime. Yes. 10 minis, 10 micros. Not 100 micros. Keep that in mind. Usually at many companies, I was thinking it's a typo. If that's what you asked me yesterday, Quantum. I was thinking as well, it's a typo. But it's not a typo. It's 10 minis or 10 micros. Yeah, usually you have 10 minis, 100 micros. So that's why I asked them, and they told me it's not a typo. We have a huge winning day back to back. And I'm moving to Quantower to trade some Savius. Stick with me guys for the giveaways. We got 2 of them coming up. Silver is pumping. Gold is pumping too. So I traded today. Ticktick. Tap 1. This is what I traded today. I'm trading Savius. Yeah. Hopefully cryptos will follow up as well. We're missing the pumps and the season of bullishness big time. And I'm starting to be upset. Where's my cup, guys? It's not my cup. This is the cup I'm drinking. What a Ticktick trader. Look at that. So I'm starting to be upset on the cryptos, especially on the altcoins. You get my special offer for Savius only by being signed up. You need to sign up on the link, and inside your account, in your dashboard, you will be able to see the accounts, right? So otherwise, this is not available. Use the coupon code SCRAMBLE. TT is tap on futures. No, TT is different than tap on futures. There's two different prop firms, Ticktick Trader and tap on futures. We got two accounts right now at Savius. Yesterday we had a winner on this one, and we're still $500 down from the purchasing level. But I'm not sad. We had a very good day, and very important in my Ticktick right now. My whole mind is on the Ticktick accounts. You know, when you're close to a $10,000 payout, and when you're raising the live wallet to 8,000, you know, with the next payout you're gonna get, you're gonna be moved to live. Welcome, buddy. $13 minutes to go and the market opens. Have a look into that, guys. I told you the market reacts here. That's where we got it. We got this previous tops there, and now we converted them. But we might get into the daily opening and daily VWAP a little bit lower. I wouldn't mind. Tesla back above 425. Look at the daily candles on Tesla, guys. Close to the all-time high. It's gonna get to revisit that 500, close to $500 level. Tesla. Tesla. Let's see what we can do here. We got two giveaways, like the video. I'm also going to ask you, once again, guys, we're 24,680s on the Nasdaq. I'll ask you in the pool something. What is it today? I mean, we don't have too much going around September. What about October? So, 25,500 on NQ in October. You see a bullish time coming around. Let me know what you guys think about it. I ask you in the comments. There is a pool. Just open the live chat, and go for an answer. 25,500. Do you see a bullish season out there? I'm longing 10 minis here, guys. I'm being aggressive. $25,500 is October for Nasdaq. $840 profit. We secured that. Look at that. Celebration time, right? $840 profit. Boom! We put fireworks bust. Straightforward. $840 profit on that. Quickly, in and out. Thank you, by the way, for joining. Keep in mind that we got those 2 giveaways today. In and out. So 85% of you consider we get to that 25,500s. 86%, look at that. I got back in along here. What on earth, guys? I'm out. We're at 1,075, so we made some money. We made 250 bucks. It is. It's supposed to be, yes. Adding 5 minis. It is. I think it's fine. For Nigeria. You want to look into that, but I think it's fine. We're about to touch the target, guys. Come on. I put my break in there. Break even. We need to do 1,500 bucks. Oops. We got to touch the break even. That's all I need, 1,500. I think this is going up, guys. Let's see. I'm being very aggressive yet once again. I think all the wicks we generated earlier are false flags. All the wicks. Come on. Just a single tick was needed. We only needed a single tick, guys. Actually, there's just 2 points from my entry. Oh my gosh. Quant Tower. Quant Tower. I'm adding to this. Let's see. And there's a few more than Quant Tower. No. Why on earth we missed it by a single point? No. What a silly. We're going to set a stop loss there. We're going to get touched at. We'll touch that. Beautiful. So we got into the drawdown with this one. It has now been lost, but that was a silly price action there at the top. Totally miserable. And of course, I got into extreme risk situations. Let me share with you the savviest options. Platform. These are the trading platforms available. Bolsis, volume book by volumetric trading, ATAS, and Quantower. These are the 4 ones available. First month is free and then $90 per month. Yes. I'm being very aggressive here once again. Extremely aggressive. Yes, this is Quantower. It's very easy. This is the Quantower I'm using. It's very, very easy, guys. They do allow mobile trading, yep. Now look at this weakness. At this place we were supposed to be more powerful. Right, we should have an instant couple of points reaction from here, from that wick established on the left side, but this is, you know, pretty poor so far. Yeah, nah. It's over with that one. That's so over. No. We just smashed below through. Beautiful, right? Let's get back to our stuff that we trade total different. So we've made 1,800 here, and it's enough. I don't need to trade this anymore. Let me see if there's something else I can trade. If there's something else I can still trade. Like, you know, I'm gonna lock myself out of this one on Savius too. If you get the Savius account, you don't have to pay for the first month. Yes, for Savius, the daily drawdown is a hard breach. News trading, so getting back, daily drawdown is a hard breach, which means you need to set a stop loss prior to that. So you don't touch the hard breach. Makes no sense, right? Makes no sense. Set a stop loss prior to that. If you have a 150k account, which has a $2,000 daily max loss, then you have to set your daily loss limit as a you know, stop loss on 1,700. Like, do not cross that. Because with the liquidity and spread and stuff, you might be around 1,800, 1,850 with all the fees, right? So you need to set a stop loss clearly with this Savius accounts because their daily loss is a hard breach. You don't want to touch that. You set a stop loss before. Good. The next thing, news trading. Some news are allowed, some are not allowed. Let me share with you. Here. No trading during major news events, such as NFP, non-farm payrolls, consumer price index, FOMC. 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after. That's it. During that 3 categories of news, 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after. So you have 10 minutes during that 3 categories. No trading. The contracts, here are the contracts. 30 mini or 300 micros for 150k. It's insane, right? So you can pretty much scale into micros. Wow, look at that. We just had the opening and I was sleeping, guys. What the... There you go. I'm sorry, guys. We just had the opening there and I was like... And we pretty much dumped 50 points on the opening. You're welcome, guys. So... 76% of you consider we're actually going to 25 500s in October for NQ. So you think it's going to be October. The accounts on Savius are extremely cheap. I've traded all my accounts pretty much everywhere. Full focus on Ticktick Trader and tap on futures. That's what I did today. Full focus there, especially on the Ticktick where we got point number 9. Extreme focus on that. Personally, if I have to trade more than 10, 12 accounts, 15 accounts, it's too much for me. You see what I do usually with the Savius accounts at the end. Instead of trading as usually I do, I start putting 15 minis and I go wild about it. Yes, Quantower is a software you have to install on your computer, on your laptop. You need to download a free version of Quantower. It's a trading software. And you connect basically your Quantower with the DX feed of Savius. In terms of server, there's instructions and tutorials how to do it, and then you're ready to trade. Yeah, it's a trading software. And you have to download a free version. You don't need a paid version of Quantower. Yeah, I mean, trading 10, 15, 20 is too much for me, guys. If I trade... Depends how many groups, right? It depends like how many units. Because you can trade one and it could be 5 accounts connected. What I mean is trading 5 different units, which could include multiple accounts each. If I trade 4, 5, 6, it's too much. I cannot focus for that much, guys. Personally, I cannot. It's too much for me. Look at the reversal, guys. It's crazy. Like, this is not that bearish, right? Cryptos are not doing that much. Well, then you get Nasdaq. Oh, Russell 2000s. Come on, let's go on a bullish Friday. Let's go in a bullish Friday and let's have a lovely weekend for the crypto. Not all the time copy trading. I copy trade on Ticktick Trader 5 accounts. Yeah, we're bullish for today. I copy trade on Tap on Futures. So I copy trade on these two prop firms, Ticktick Trader and Tap on Futures. But I do not copy trade on Savius ones. Yeah. Alright guys, so time to move on. Time to move on. Good job, guys. Good job. Beautiful. We're getting to the 700s quite soon. Look at that. Pretty strong reversal. Happy for you guys making money. Keep going. I was longing this thing. So, how to participate? Like the video. Be subscribed. Like the video, be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Let's do it, guys. And then join my Discord. The Discord link is here. Everyone, you gotta do these things. Before we start, you gotta do these things, guys. Come on. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for joining the live stream, guys. Only one guest per person. No multiple accounts. If you're doing that, you get banned. And then you can come up and say Scrambo is not giving me the account. Scrambo is not giving you the account if you have 20 YouTube accounts you're guessing from. Right? So do not underestimate our intelligence and respect our code. Thank you, Arthur. Appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I wish you good luck with that. And you see on Ticktick Trader, we have amazing results. That's what you're gonna get too, buddy. Wait. Why are these guys writing? Wait. Yeah, I think you need to sign something in the account. It's been a couple of months since I signed my one. The first giveaway we do, someone has to stop their bots. And this, by the way, are all users. So look at that, guys. Last comments with all the names. Have you guys seen those guys in our live chat for the last months? Have you guys seen those guys? Have those guys seen? I bet you haven't seen those names in our live chat for months. Right? I bet you guys haven't seen those names in our chat for months. Yeah. With all caps because it's a scam. And then they're not receiving their accounts, right? And then they of course cry and say, well, Scrambo is a scammer. Scrambo is indeed a scammer, not giving you the accounts when you're trying to scam our community. Let's go, guys. Start. Come on. Let's go. Keep pushing. They're not going to receive anything. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for joining. What a lovely community out here. The first giveaway is the Top 1 Futures, $25,000. Sim Pro account. Stop. No more guesses, it's over. We're gonna shuffle 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Happy Friday. Let's go for it, guys. I bet there's a lot of the people on the list. The second giveaway will be for Ticktick Trader. If you have country restrictions for the Ticktick Trader, do not join the giveaway. We have a 00 coming up. Do we stop there? I don't think so, guys. We're gonna hit that number 3 after the red 0. I have a pedal under my desk, and that's where everything is controlled, guys. So we're gonna hit that number 3 in between the zeros. Look at that. Keep going a little more, and now I can press the brake. And here we're gonna stop. There you go, number 3. Congratulations, guys. We're joking. I don't have any pedal. Come on. Let's go with the pedals. Number 3 for the winners. Was this pretty popular? I don't think so. Usually this is not on the list of our folks. Oh my god, 50 winners. Oh my god, 50 winners, guys. You guys are gonna compete for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Like, there is no joke. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. We're gonna shuffle. 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 I'm gonna shuffle till I see Trump's hair. Where's Trump's hair? I don't see it yet. We're gonna shuffle. Here's Trump's hair. Look at that. You guys see it right there with yellow? So we're good to go. Give me a pedal, guys, for Nasdaq. Round B. Number 10. There you go. You gotta swim, guys, so let me tell you what's the secret here. You gotta throw yourself on the ground and start swimming. So somehow with artificial intelligence, your duck is gonna smell that, and it's gonna go faster. That's what you gotta do, guys. No. Someone got all the 5 numbers. Not possible. Not seeing yourself because it's craziness here. It's crowded, like. Come on. We got a few guys on the list here. 30 seconds. And we have the second giveaway too. Look at that. Should I press the pedal, guys? I don't have a pedal for ducks. You gotta exercise. Come on. Who's gonna speed up? We got James right there, the doctor with the number 28. Swimming around. There you go. Congratulations, James. Beautiful. They will be disqualified. James. I can't even tag you. There is a reason why I cannot tag these people. I know that. I know the reason behind. However, we're moving on, guys. We're moving on. We're moving on. You know that if you're scamming, we're going to repeat the price in the next. Your name was there. If you got the number correctly, your name was there. Don't worry about it. So once again, for those of you that have joined, we're doing $50,000 TTT accounts right now. If you have country limitations, restrictions, do not join. This is Ticktick Trader. Straight to funded plus. Start, guys. Let me know. Let me know the numbers. Let me know your numbers. Come on. Only one guess per person if you're guessing multiple times. James is not here. Like I told you, if you're scamming and we discover you, you're not receiving anything. And we're giving your account in the next live streamings. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. And we are... No more. Stop it. That's it, guys. That's pretty much it. We're going to shuffle 5 more times. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Come on, let's go. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. This is $50,000 Ticktick Trader, the last giveaway of the week. Nasdaq above 700. Let's go with a pedal. We have a 555 there. I don't think we stopped there. What do you guys think about this 555? No, we might stop on the yellow one. We might stop on the yellow one, guys. There you go. This is probably the most popular number. We might stop on the yellow one. Look at that. And a little bit more. Oh, that was the red. But that's fine. Number 5 for the winners. Congratulations. Beautiful. Beautiful out there. Let's see how many of you. So we got 50 in the first round. And now we have... Let me see what's happening here in the meantime. Pump and dump. But it's bullish, right? 28, guys. 28. Lamro is the first one. Lamro, you are the first. If you're winning the account, I guess you will enjoy to share your account with our community, right? You would love to do that. Let's just go till we see that here. There you go. We're ready, guys. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Two minutes and 30 seconds. You gotta gift it to us. To our community. Let's go. Let's go, Matt. Are you on the list, Matt? There you go. Look at that. You're the British Guard. I think you're the British Guard. You're the British Royal Guard. Look at that hat you got right there. You're the British Royal. Keep pushing. Come on. Jamal. Lamro. J Smith. We have a Dino. He's a UFO, Lamro. There's still a lot to go here. Who's gonna win this? You don't have to lead right now. You have to be somewhere behind. Come on. Who needs this account? Who needs it? Who needs it? Thank you guys as well. Appreciated. Keep pushing. 30 seconds. Come on. $50,000. Straight to Funded Plus on Ticktick Trader. Whoa, some of you just Zill, you're out. Looks like you're out, Zill. 10 seconds. Someone is gonna step forward. Oh, Trump is out. Let me push the pedal, guys. Bob, we got Bob right there with number 17. Let's have a look into the leaderboard. You got Dennis right there. Zill, number 9. Matt, number 10. Look at that, Matt. You got that number 1 in the front. But there's a 0 coming after. Congratulations, buddy. Bob Shen. Congrats. Beautiful. You got that number 1, Matt, right there. If we do this, right? Look at that. If we do this, and nobody's seeing it, right? If we do this, Matt, and nobody's seeing it, you got number 1 on the front. Beautiful. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Have a lovely time. Have a lovely time, guys. Have a lovely day. Careful with trading with the numbers, with the risk management, with all these things that, you know, all the discounts pretty much everywhere, scramble, coupon code, all those things are already pretty much general. Whenever you need anything, reach out to me on Discord. Any help, any situation with a prop firm. If we need to attack them, let us know. And we go straight to their, you know what. So, and we go for justice. That's where we are, guys. Have a lovely time. Enjoy your weekend. We talk to you on Monday, continuing with our trading giveaways. And I'm looking forward to collecting my last point. That's it. We'll talk to you soon. Have a beautiful time.